Okay, it is research time. So, first thing you're going to do is go to O'Neill's homepage. You're going to click on the library page and you are going to find the Downers Grove Public Library catalog spot. That's going to take you to where we have all of the paid databases, and you're going to look for the link that says research and click on all databases. This is going to take you to all those wonderful paid databases they have. Ones that I really like to start with, especially if you're doing a science paper, would be Science Reference Center, or if you're doing a general paper, Student Resources and Context is also good. Put in your code, since these are paid databases. And let's say I'm looking for information on wildfires. So I come up with a whole bunch of possibilities and I click on reference first, and now I'm looking for an article. So I find an article, and once I decide that I really want that article, the first thing you're gonna do is get the citation information. If you are doing a science project, a science paper, they're gonna want you to cite it in APA. So see how I just went ahead and changed it to APA format? I'm simply gonna copy this and then paste it into my bibliography page that I have already started. So I'm going to go ahead and call up that bibliography page, and I just pasted it in right there. I'm not going to worry about the format at this point. I'm going to go back, continue on with my research. Now let's say I want to look possibly for a magazine article. So I'm going to go ahead and click on magazines on the side. And let's see if we can find some good magazine articles on wildfires. Basically, I'm just going to repeat this process, and that's how you're going to build up your bibliography or works cited page. So I have found another article that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and get the citation information, and because this is a science paper, I am going to change it to APA format again. I'm going to simply copy this, go up and select my bibliography page that I have open in one of my tabs, and I'm simply going to paste it. And I'm going to repeat this process one more time just to show you. So I'm going back to my magazine list. I'm going to find another article. This one looks good. I'm going to go to my Citation Tools because I've decided I want to use this article. I'm going to change it to APA format and simply copy and paste. Okay. Let's say that these are all the sources that you're going to use. So you have 3 sources. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put them in alphabetical order by the author's last name. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just moving things around, making sure they're in alphabetical order. Now, I'm also removing the hyperlink. All you have to do is click on it and it'll allow you to remove it. But now we want to make sure that the bottom part is indented. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the part that I want indented, and then I'm going to grab, there's like a little triangle at the top. I'm going to grab that and move it over. But then when I've moved everything over, then I'm going to grab this small little bar at the top and scoot that over. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for each one of my citations so that the first line is not indented, but every line beyond that is. And then grab that little bar and move it back. So this is what a completed bibliography page should look like.